In a fight between history and safety, the latter wins in North Little Rock. A decaying bridge is getting replaced. Thank you for joining us tonight on KRK4 News at 10 o'clock. I'm Stephanie Sharp. Our Susan Elcory is in the studio tonight. And Susan, not everyone is happy with this plan. Tell us more.
Well, Stephanie, that's because the new bridge won't look like this one. It'll just be for pedestrians. And several families who live nearby tell me that's cutting off a main way into their neighborhood.
There you go.
Richard Tatum's North Little Rock house fits his family. But what he thought was an ideal location now comes with a permanent roadblock.
I drive that way to go to work. I drive that way to take my kids to school.
Plans to rebuild the 14th Street Bridge don't include opening it to cars, just pedestrians.
It is kind of frustrating for me to not have that.
For nearly 100 years, this wood was the shortcut to get around the railroad tracks.
It's the easiest route.
But not the safest, so the city brought in barricades, calling it too dangerous to even walk across.
We're kind of at the mercy of the railroad.
The tracks you can drive over are often blocked by trains, forcing drivers to take the long way.
Usually if I see a train on the tracks, I know I need to go around it because there's no telling if it's actually going to be there for 5 minutes or 5 hours.
It's a new normal neighbors don't want to get used to.
There's tons of ways for pedestrians to get across the train tracks. There are no ways for cars to get over the train tracks.
For the city, a smaller scale rebuild is the price of balancing safety and budget. Not the best news for this dad.
I would hope that they would find some sort of way to keep that bridge open.
Holding out hope for a better ride home.
Most of the funding for this project is through a grant from RDOT. At this point, though, there is no date set for construction to start. Back to you.